Tushar Gupta, senior editor, Swarajya magazine, is also joining us, and Ravi Srivastav is also a political analyst joining us. Tushar Gupta, do you think that this is going to precipitate not just a crisis of who remains the chief minister, but possibly a crisis for the entire government?
Yes, because there would be a big question into selecting the successor to Hemant Soren. Now, can that create fissures in the party, enough fissures to break away the government, to destabilize the government, is what we're looking at. Also, if Hemant Soren indeed has to resign by the order of the Election Commission or voluntarily, is that also an indirect admission of guilt, of crime committed, of indeed a mining scam? And if that is indeed the truth, what does it do to the other MLAs? What does it do to the government at large? So at the moment, there are too many questions. The first and the foremost question is, what are the Election Commission orders for Chief Minister Hemant Soren? The number two question is, who is the successor, and if there will be a political battle within the party, not even the coalition. I'm not even taking the 18 seats of the Congress here in the Assembly of 81. But will there be a political battle within the MLAs or the party itself for the next successor?
Okay. Ravi Srivastav, this is going to be a massive indictment if it gets, of course, confirmed, of Hemant Soren as chief minister. I mean, this is a practice that is something that is debarred, that is something that is illegal. There are rules and laws in place precisely for this. Do you think Hemant Soren made a massive mistake by reissuing that mining lease to himself after becoming the chief minister?
Another serious incident was that the mining license which was issued, and yesterday that raid yielded some AK-47 rifles from that Prem Prakash, who is said to be an accomplice of Mr. Hemant Soren. But one thing, let me tell you, that Election Commission cannot order an elected representative's position that he has to step down or something. Election Commission at best can put up a recommendation. And even if they put up a recommendation, that can be legally challenged in the Honorable Supreme Court.
What we've been told is that the Election Commission's recommendation is binding on the governor. Of course, after the governor informs the chief minister, he has time to take legal recourse.
That's right. Just now your another panelist had said it, that Mr. Manoj, that there is a 6-month window available for that.
Yes.
And before that, the Honorable Supreme Court, the matter is seized over there. So then he has a lot of legal recourse and so many things available. And,
that is fine. But Ravi Srivastav, the question I was asking you was that if he is indicted, if the recommendation is indeed that he must leave as chief minister's post, that's a massive indictment. There's a it's also about your propriety.
It's an indictment. I don't deny or don't dispute with you. But the fact is, it's not a kind of a conviction, because a conviction comes from the honorable court only. So here the question is, it is ethical, it is moral. You know, what all recommendations are there have got only the weightage of the ethics and the morality in the politics. So that part is there. I am not denying that. But ultimate, the matter has to be settled by the Honorable Supreme Court. So that's where we have to wait and see.
And do you also feel that this could precipitate a crisis for the entire government?
Yeah, it does. But then it's a question that any MLA or any other person can be made a chief minister in the interim. So that possibility is also there. Because even a person becoming a chief minister may not be even MLA. So that possibility is also there. So I don't think that there is going to be any serious crisis as far as the government is in Jharkhand is concerned.
Okay.
But it's definitely
we are hoping to hear from Hemant Soren himself directly. In the meantime, though, let me cut across to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind